What happens when flagship power, a massive battery, and a gamer-friendly display come together in a mid-range phone? Meet the OnePlus Nord 5, a device packed with the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3, a silky smooth 144Hz AMOLED screen, a massive 6700 mAh battery, and Oppo's premium camera algorithms. In this video, we're diving deep into the performance, display, battery, camera, and real-world usage. And yes, gaming and thermal tests are coming too, so stay tuned because this might just be the most powerful Nord yet. A quick shout out to my tech partner from China for sharing this video. A big thank you for making this possible. Hey everyone, it's Maiky from Maiky. If you love staying updated with the latest gadgets, make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on our exciting tech content. Let's start with the design of the OnePlus Nord 5. Shown here in the elegant Phantom Black colorway, the back panel is crafted from silk glass, giving it a smooth, frosted texture that resists fingerprints beautifully. This time around, the camera module gets a unique twist. Gone is the traditional round layout. Instead, we see a sleeker strip-style arrangement. This not only adds a fresh visual appeal, but also improves usability, especially while gaming in landscape mode, where your fingers now have more room to move freely. So, what do you think of this rear design? Personally, I appreciate its clean and understated aesthetic. It doesn't try too hard to stand out, and that's exactly its charm. Interestingly, the phone skips a metal frame, which brings both advantages and trade-offs, especially when paired with a larger battery. On the side, you'll find a custom button that's now more powerful than before. The UI has also received a thoughtful redesign, unlocking new functionalities, one of them being a one-tap screen recording feature. Let's talk about the display specs. The OnePlus Nord 5 features a 6.83-inch 1.5K AMOLED panel with a smooth 144Hz refresh rate. It supports custom app configurations and offers 3 selectable refresh rate levels to suit your usage. In terms of brightness, measurements show a manual full-screen peak of 825.8 nits, while the maximum auto brightness, when triggered in highlight conditions, reaches around 1,447 nits. This means visibility outdoors, even under direct sunlight, remains perfectly usable. For eye comfort, the screen features DC-like dimming along with 3840Hz PWM dimming and hardware-level low blue light protection. It also incorporates the flagship-level Bright Eyes 2.0 technology. By default, the display runs slightly warm, but switching to the vivid color mode enhances color accuracy, especially the whites, and improves the overall color gamut coverage. With its high 144Hz refresh rate and flat screen design, it's clear that this display was made with gaming in mind. And honestly, that makes me excited to test out its high frame rate gaming performance. The OnePlus Nord 5 packs a massive 6700 mAh Glacier battery, paired with 80-watt super flash fast charging. In testing, it reaches 72% in just 20 minutes and fully charges to 100% in only 35 minutes. It also supports bypass charging, a particularly useful feature during intense gaming sessions. When charging while playing, power is routed directly to the motherboard, reducing heat buildup and protecting the battery. A must-have, especially in the summer months. Battery life is one thing you won't have to worry about with the Nord 5. Interestingly, the OnePlus Nord 5 shares the same main camera sensor and imaging algorithm. It features a 50-megapixel primary camera with optical image stabilization, an 8-megapixel ultra-wide lens, and a 50-megapixel front-facing camera, easily one of the best selfie shooters in this segment. While photography isn't the primary focus of this device, the Oppo-developed algorithms significantly enhance photo quality, especially when it comes to texture and detail in portrait shots. The 4.0 shoot-miss mode proves particularly effective, making the most out of the main sensor by leaning on computational photography. So, what's your take on this level of imaging performance? As for other features, the phone includes a standard optical in-display fingerprint sensor, dual stereo speakers, NFC, and an IR blaster, covering all the essentials for everyday convenience. In terms of performance, the OnePlus Nord 5 is powered by the Snapdragon 8 8S Gen 3 processor, paired with LPDDR5X RAM and UFS 3.1 storage, delivering flagship-level speed and responsiveness. To keep things cool, it features a large 7,300mm graphene vapor chamber for efficient thermal management during heavy use. On benchmarks, the device scores impressively, over 1.4 million points on Antutu, with Geekbench 6 results showing 1977 points in single-core and 5,190 points in multi-core performance. I'll be uploading a detailed gaming and temperature test soon, so make sure to stay tuned and subscribe to our channel for the full in-depth review. According to recent leaks, the base variant of the OnePlus Nord 5 is expected to launch at a starting price of £250 in the UK and around $340 in the US. And that wraps up our full breakdown of the OnePlus Nord 5, packed with flagship performance, a massive battery, and a stunning display, all at a surprisingly competitive price point. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews and comparisons. Also follow us on X, formerly Twitter, for the latest gadget deals, tech news and exclusive updates. Just a heads up, I've also uploaded the in-depth review of the Vivo X200 FE, which is launching globally on July 14th. If you haven't watched that yet, you'll find the link in the description below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.